Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah.
Surely you have enough proof by now.
Miss Frank, I can't make a decision as important as this one just because you want me to. I need more.
Well, I'm going with you.
No, ma'am, you are not.
I insist.
This is no place to take a lady. Not even you. But I will try not to behave like a fool or a coward.
Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. I hear the thunder rolling. It's behind that wall. I'm gonna roll like thunder. I'm gonna taste the morning. Feel the rain fall. Hey, yeah. I'm gonna rise like sunshine. If I see her turn, I'm gonna rise like sunshine. I'm gonna sit down on her and feel the sun burn. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah.
Jim, got your visitor on?
Be there.
You wish.
You know it.
Hello, Jim.
You who I think you are.
Yes, so.
All right then.
Couple of questions for you.
You want some water? Bring the governor some water.
No thanks.
We fixing to talk about that mess with Mr. Frank.
Yes.
I'm already doing a year's successful with more y'all want.
A little bit of time. What you lady gonna have?
Hey, yeah. Well, then I got a little something I'd like to say. I made a little mistake up there on the witness stand.
That's so.
You see, I said I found that little white girl with her head facing towards Alabama Street and her feet facing towards Honda Street. That was wrong. It was the other way around.
And that was in the workroom on the second floor?
And everything else just like I said before, guys.
Well, then I'm a little confused.
And why is that?
But when they found the body in the basement, the coroner's report said that there was sawdust in her mouth and lungs.
Hey, yeah.
Any idea what that means?
Yeah.
It means she had to be breathing in the basement because there isn't any sawdust on the second floor. It means she was alive and you carried her into the basement.
Well, she must have come back to life, but she was dead as last Christmas Eve when Mr. Frank showed me the body. We're gonna roll like thunder.
Coroner's report raised some questions about your story. What you say?
That coroner, he's the one that's blind.
That's right.
Plenty of lint on the second floor. Might not have been sawdust in that little girl's mouth. Could have been lint. And how he know the difference? I guess lint and sawdust are the same to a blind man.
He's got 45 years of experience.
That's so. He can try and prove that in court, I imagine. You ever been